Rushmillion. Hey, yo, I found these rhymes laying around, man. So I just said, let's do them, man. Bustin', you know what I mean? Yeah, who does that? You know, I just said, man, I'm just gonna do them and we gonna just see how it come out. Check it out.
Okay, I'm in it for the poker chips, in it for the cash. This is Operation Break a Bitch, and break a nigga too. The cheese one color so pussies get ran through. Accumulate the grit. You better stand down when I'm running through your shit. Cause I'm quick to let the pump talk, make a nigga jump. And I'm not talking Reebok, I give a fuck who you is. 100-round drum and shut down your whole bed. I'm just a fiend for the loots. I love big shit so my paper need to be Gucci. And you can test me if you want it, so they can find your ass slumping the deserts of Arizona. And it used to be nice, but so many niggas ran, so it's better to think twice. And something you should know, even rushing to get the dough. Check chickens with eyes closed. Bitch, we been about dough. There's something you should know, even rushing to get the dough. Check chickens with eyes closed. Bitch, we been about dough. Keep a few hundred stats cause my living not pricey. Couple gold chains, I ain't never been icy. Few bad bitches who say that they like me. Hustle's not hard enough to replace me, wife. Life low key, it ain't never been hyphy. Keep a tool on the hip, real close with a knife. Niggas wanna holler, I'm like, go ahead and Skype me. 100 with my folks in the box who write me. We ain't never been good, so why you talking so nicely? Really with the shit, so now you're pleading politely. Life's a crap game, shit's always been dicey. Bring that whole around here, swear to God she gon' like me. Anchor to the 6, so everything to the right beat. Precisely, all my niggas moving precisely. From OG, more pills and more weed. It's not greed, only fulfill what the house needs. There's something you should know, even rushing to get the dough. Check chickens with eyes closed. Bitch, we been about dough. There's something you should know, even rushing to get the dough. Check chickens with eyes closed. Bitch, we been about dough.